We got a tool haul video tonight, guys. Welcome back to the Maintenance Man channel. We got some Amazon, Harbor Freight, Tractor Supply, and I think that's Ross's last one. So the Hoto got me again. I'm into these designer drug type like tools here. You know, this is a flashlight. It's like 40 bucks, ridiculously priced, but you know, I wasn't unimpressed with the last round of stuff I got from them. Once again, beautifully packaged. This was in there too. It's a little guide thing. Comes with a charging cable, so I can charge the 3.6 volt thing doohickey electric screwdriver. Because that didn't come with it. Here it comes with a little grab handle on the back, and we got charging cable there. And then in terms of the product, I think it's fully weatherproof. So let me see if I get you in there closer. Yeah. So you got the Hoto. See the model, 5 volt power source, 3 watt. It's waterproof, designed by Hoto. You can put your little strap in the bottom there. I don't know if it's aluminum or something, but it has a metal body. It's fairly nice. You can see it has the rubber seal there. And it's actually like a very nice basic flashlight. It's on and off. On and off. And it has nice lumens. I don't know what the lumens, I threw the box on the floor, but it's bright. It's not an adjustable beam. The light comes here. I'm sure it's showing me some sort of power that it needs charged. And it also comes with this goofy little lampshade, but not bad, because then it turns it into like a light, power goes out or something. It's overpriced, but I cannot say that it's junk. I think I'm going to put it in my tool bag, because I actually like it. It's like a flat, nice grip to it. Nice little tool. Hoto, once again. These designer drug type tools. We got almost 6 inches there, 5 3/4. Ain't too shabby. Next up from Amazon is a new old stock type thing here. We got the Makita. I bought this years ago. It's really not a great set, but I liked it. And I like the bit holder. It's cool. So that's why I bought it. Forget what I paid for it, but not too bad of a price, I don't think. Coming in next, we got the Knipex slip joint pliers. I've been into the Knipex for a while now. These are the pulling. There we go. I mean, this stuff's just well made. I think this will find a nice home in my tool bag for at work. So we got the Knipex. Next up is something I've never owned. Knipex makes these. This is Maxpower. I've used this brand before. It's $22 off of Amazon. This is a Swedish style pipe wrench. I've never had one, but it makes a bunch of sense to me. You untwist this, and then it's like it stops, you know. Then you can adjust it down to that stop, put it up, clamp it down, and it has a nice clamp. These are 12 inches, and I gotta say the quality, it's not going to be the best, chrome vanadium, you know, but not a bad finish to them. I don't think I'll have any issues with them, but I'm going to put them in my bag and see how they hold up for me. Again, Maxpower, this stuff, I've bought a few things from them. Inexpensive Chinese stuff, but works out pretty well for myself. And that is it for the Amazon portion of this. Home Depot portion, which I did not mention. Milwaukee 10-inch smooth jaw pliers. I'm going to compare these to my Knipex, see how they go. I actually do like the handles on these. They were $20, which I didn't think was too bad. Usually Milwaukee hand tools are way overpriced, but 20 bucks I could live with for a 10-inch smooth jawed set of pliers, especially if they hold up well. We shall see on that. Now the Ross deal, it's these crescent pliers. They were $8. Still working out the kinks, but so far though, they have those nice jaws that can grip onto stuff, and the K9 jaws, a little bit of play in there. The model number right there, RTZ 210CGV, 10-inch. Got the soft grip zone to do whatever you want with that. But I've liked these style of crescent. I know it's Apex Tools, not what it used to be, the brand, but also I like the handles on this stuff. I've liked how they've performed. So again, I'm excited to add that to the bag of things. Next up, Harbor Freight. I was buying another purchase there. Do a little sneak peek. Lifetime guarantee. 7-inch wire strippers. The handle's a little bit slippy on them. But we'll see how they function. And we'll get, there we go, work that spring off of there as fast as we can. Oh, that's gonna hurt, but I'll figure that out. And we'll see how they hold up, you know, if they cut well, because I have a few pair of Kleins that just over time they wear out. I can maybe see about a warranty on them or something. But for $4 or $3, whatever I paid, I mean, this is not a bad set, especially if you're starting off in apartment maintenance, you know. And I bought this again, which was the electric screwdriver. I miss having one. I bought the Bosch 12-volt lineup, a couple tools to test out. And a long time ago, I did a review on the best electric screwdrivers. And I did the Walt versus the Hercules versus the Hilti versus the Milwaukee versus maybe one or two other brands, or that was it. But I think the Hercules ended up either winning or coming in second to the Hilti. It performed very well. It's a brushed 12-volt tool, but you know, for what you use this stuff for, brushed isn't bad at all. I'm excited to use it again. Lastly, we'll start off with the Lowe's. These Ox pencils are absolutely fantastic. They're my favorite pencils to use, especially when you're working on stuff, but it has a nice, either way, it's a nice pencil. Got your sharpener built into this handle in the carrying case. Ox makes some good stuff. I have a framing hammer I bought with a wood handle. Really good. I like it. Last up, Tractor Supply. This little pair of crescent vice grip styled pliers was $5 or $6. Now the cheap ones come in good handy because I've used them as a table saw at work. The handle broke off. Clamp one of these on there. That's the new handle. It's kind of what they use them for. But this one seems well built. I especially like the unlocking thing and the size of it. It's perfect to put in a bag to loosen up any bolts, screws, nuts, whatever that I run into. Usually not anything big. And the size, sometimes they're in tight spaces, so the size of it is kind of nice also. Next up, I was hesitant about buying this. It was $6. It's a little crescent pry bar, but it has a nice design to it. Big curve, even though it's small, should be good with like trim work and stuff. 10mm hex right there. Nail puller. I mean, just added bonuses, and for the price, I don't think you could beat it. Last up, again, $5, 34-piece hose clamp set. I use this stuff more for plumbing. Actually, mostly plumbing. Or, you know, whatever. They come in handy to have, and for $4 or $5, this was a good purchase. Anyways, guys, thank you for joining me, and catch you on the next one. Later.